Understanding sustainable seafood.
Sustainable seafood means choosing fish and shellfish that are caught or farmed in ways that protect the long-term health of our oceans and fish populations. Responsible choices help prevent overfishing and minimize environmental harm while supporting local communities. Being informed about where your seafood comes from is an essential step toward a more sustainable diet.
Environmental impact of seafood choices.
Some fishing methods and farmed seafood can damage habitats or deplete wild populations. Wild-caught species may be at risk if they're overfished, while farmed fish can have issues like pollution or high resource use if not managed well. Choosing seafood from well-managed sources reduces these impacts, preserving ocean health for future generations.
Seafood to choose and avoid.
Opt for species labeled as sustainably caught or responsibly farmed, such as Alaskan salmon, Pacific sardines, or U.S. farmed rainbow trout. Try to avoid overfished options like bluefin tuna or unsustainably farmed shrimp. Look for eco-labels like MSC or ASC, which indicate better practices and trustworthy sourcing.
How to make responsible decisions.
When shopping or dining out, ask where the seafood comes from and whether it's certified. Use consumer guides from reputable organizations for up-to-date recommendations. Choosing local and seasonal seafood often supports sustainability and freshness. Being curious and informed helps you make decisions that are better for you and the planet.
Health benefits and moderation.
Seafood provides vital nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming a variety of sustainable seafood can support heart and brain health. Aim for 2 servings per week, but balance this with attention to mercury and other contaminants. By eating a diverse selection and maintaining moderation, you benefit your health and the environment.